Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. Hope everyone is having a good start to the new year. Today we're going to do a short video on our goals from last year and what we have planned for 2022. This year the channel saw explosive growth by doing flyovers over Nikola and then starting the Lucid flyovers. We received a warm welcome from Nikola and we received a cease and desist letter from Lucid. So we want to thank all of our viewers, subscribers, Patreons, commenters, from the lovers to the haters for all your support. We appreciate you guys being there for us. Our goal last year was to get to 6,000 subs, and well, we did that by quite a bit. We got to 10,800 subscribers, and that was pretty awesome. So we want to thank you guys for that. Our goals for the new year was to get to 1 million views, and we got 1.7 new views. So that was great too. This year our goals are going to be a bit loftier. Since we have changed the format of the channel around quite a bit, instead of doing the repair and review videos, we are now focused on electric vehicles. We're doing several live streams a week, one on Nikola, one on Lucid, and one collaboration with Brian for My Tesla Weekend. We're doing 5 flyover videos a week on Nikola and Lucid and want to increase the Lucid flyovers. We're hoping to get more support from the viewers in order to make that happen. We're seeing a decent amount of support from our viewers, so we're looking forward to actually seeing that happen. This year we're hoping to get 2.5 million new views and to reach 25,000 total subscribers while increasing the number of flyovers we do. We can only do this with your help, so please join us for another year of fun. We really appreciate the things that you guys do and all the support, and we hope that your 2022 is better than your 2021. So thanks guys. Bye-bye.